Life can sometimes feel like a constant struggle. We all desire abundance, happiness, and fulfillment, but often find ourselves facing obstacles that prevent us from reaching our deepest desires. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to overcome these challenges? A hidden secret that could unlock the door to an abundant life? Well, what if I told you that the key to reprogramming your subconscious mind for abundance is closer than you think? According to renowned author and expert Joseph Murphy, there are two magical words that, when uttered just before going to bed, can unleash the power of manifestation and bring happiness into every aspect of your life. But what are these two magical words? How can they transform your life and help you manifest your deepest desires? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to reveal these two words and show you how to use them effectively to reprogram your subconscious mind, attract abundance, and manifest a life beyond your wildest dreams. So, if you're ready to dive into this remarkable technique, if you're ready to take control of your life and manifest your deepest desires, then stay tuned with us. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your reality. But before we delve into the secrets, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be part of our community, ensuring you never miss any future videos where we share powerful insights and techniques. Prepare yourself for a paradigm-shifting experience. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of manifesting abundance and happiness in your life. Stay tuned. The secret is about to be revealed. Imagine if there was a way to effortlessly reprogram your subconscious mind for unlimited wealth and success. A secret method that requires no visualization, affirmations, or backbreaking effort. Well, according to renowned author and expert Dr. Joseph Murphy, such a method exists. Dr. Murphy discovered that by simply repeating two powerful words each night before sleeping, you can tap into the immense potential of your subconscious mind and attract abundance like never before. This easy and transformative ritual can unlock the doors to your innate power and allow you to manifest the wealth and success you truly desire. So, what are these two words that can ignite the spark of abundance within you? They are money and abundance. Repeating these two words night after night imprints them deep into your subconscious mind. As your subconscious absorbs and accepts these words as truth, it begins to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the frequency of wealth and abundance. Through this powerful repetition, you begin to attract opportunities, resources, and wealth effortlessly. Your subconscious becomes a magnet for prosperity, success, and financial freedom. This practice is a gateway to accessing and unlocking your hidden potential. It taps into the unlimited power of your subconscious mind, allowing you to manifest a life filled with abundance and success. Imagine what your life could become when you consistently implement this simple yet profound ritual. The possibilities are limitless. Did you know that your subconscious mind is intricately connected to the universal consciousness? It taps into an infinite field of potentiality, ready to conspire in manifesting your new beliefs and desires. When you change your programming at the subconscious level, a powerful ripple effect occurs throughout your reality. Your subconscious begins to communicate with the universal consciousness, attracting circumstances, opportunities, and people that align with your new beliefs. Imagine a life where your thoughts effortlessly attract people, resources, opportunities, and income streams that are in perfect alignment with wealth and success. It may sound too good to be true, but it's entirely within your reach. Let's consider an example. If you constantly think thoughts like, money is hard to come by, or repeatedly say, I can't afford that, you are affirming scarcity in your life. Your subconscious mind takes these thoughts as instructions and works to manifest circumstances that reflect a lack of abundance. However, by consciously reprogramming your thoughts and beliefs, You can replace these limiting patterns with positive affirmations and statements that support greater abundance. For instance, replacing money is hard to come by with money flows easily and abundantly to me shifts your subconscious programming. It begins to align your thoughts and energy with the vibration of abundance, leading to a profound shift in your financial reality. As you consistently reinforce positive patterns and beliefs, your subconscious mind sends out powerful signals to the universe. This prompts the universal consciousness to conspire in creating the circumstances, synchronicities, and opportunities that support your journey towards wealth and success. According to Joseph E. Murphy, the first step is to become consciously aware of your thoughts, words, and feelings surrounding money. Recognize any negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from reaching financial success. By acknowledging these thoughts and beliefs, you gain the power to shift them. Replace scarcity mindset with thoughts of abundance. Focus on the possibilities and opportunities that can lead to financial prosperity. Next, feed your subconscious mind with new patterns for financial freedom and abundance. Surround yourself with positive affirmations, visualize wealth and success, and immerse yourself in inspirational resources that uplift your mindset. Repetition is key. The more you expose your subconscious mind to these empowering messages, the more ingrained they become. Your mind begins to align with the vibration of financial prosperity, attracting opportunities for wealth. So, friends, to reprogram inner blocks to wealth, establish a nightly ritual of murmuring, and abundance before you sleep. These two powerful words act as a catalyst to spark the transformation of your subconscious mind. As you repeat these words consistently, they penetrate deep into your subconscious, eradicating any limiting beliefs or doubts that hinder your financial growth. This practice allows your mind to accept and embrace abundance as your natural state. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to transform your financial reality through the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy. His profound insights have the power to guide you in manifesting true prosperity in your life. By reprogramming your subconscious mind for abundance, you hold the key to unlocking the doors to a life filled with wealth and success. And the best part, it's easier than you think. All you need to do is implement a simple practice before bedtime. If you found this video helpful in your manifestation journey, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We value your support and it helps us create more empowering content for you. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We would love to hear how Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings have impacted your life and brought about positive changes. As you embark on your journey of manifestation, know that you are blessed with divine support. May God's grace shower upon you, guiding you towards the abundant life you desire. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the power of your subconscious mind.